What's going on, everybody? As you can see, this is my WhatsApp broadcast list. I just sent a trade alert at 4 past 9 a.m. in the morning, and then look at what I said. I say, just looking at the GBP CAD, it seems like it's forming an M setup. When it forms an M, short it, and then I opened the trades and then I left. And then I need you to see, this is now 13 past 2 p.m. Let me show you what's happening now. Look at what's happening now. That's the profits right there. You see that these are real pips, man. These are real pips that I'm catching. And the good thing is, we caught it in advance. We caught it in advance. We caught this thing in advance. We caught it in advance. I mean, when you know the market setups and you see them, you will eat. There is no two ways about it. You just eat. You check. You will just eat just like that. As you can see, I'm in profit already. Everybody who followed my signal is in profit already. My students are in profit already. Everybody is eating. There is nobody who is not eating in my team. So it is what it is, guys. These setups, classified information, and mind you, there was news coming on the GBP, but we didn't care about news. We had just seen a setup. A setup was forming and we were prepared for it. When news came, it went in line with our setups. So this is the power of this strategy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It is what it is. God